In today's video, I'll show you how to use portfolios in Asana. Portfolios let you group multiple projects together so you can track their status, progress, and deadlines all from one screen, which is perfect when you're juggling several initiatives at once. Let's start by clicking Portfolios in the left sidebar. This is where all your portfolios live. To create one, I'll click Create Portfolio. A setup screen appears where you can name your portfolio and choose a privacy level. I'll type in a name for this example. Clicking Continue brings up a quick choice. Start adding projects right away, or invite teammates first. I'll go with adding projects, then click Go to Portfolio to open it up. Right now the portfolio is empty, so let's add some work. Clicking Add Work opens a picker showing all your existing projects. I'll select one from the list. Asana may ask whether to share access with portfolio members, which controls whether everyone in the portfolio automatically gets access to that project too. For this example, I'll choose not to share access, keeping permissions separate. And just like that, the project now shows up inside the portfolio, complete with its status, progress percentage, and due date, all visible at a glance. To recap, click Portfolios, create a new one, give it a name, then use Add Work to pull in the projects you want to track together. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.